John Austin Green. All right, very good. All right, not until 9 o'clock. If the officer does not appear by 9:30, we'll get you out of here. If the officer does appear, we'll get you talking to a lawyer.
Sir.
All right. And good morning.
Thank you.
There's too many calls. You're stuck in the calls and that's what I need to pull.
All right, you gotta, I'm gonna mute you. I'm gonna mute you, Mr. Lewis. We'll mute your devices, and then, all right, let's see if we can get going. I already muted you. Oh, all right, it's on you. Good morning. All right.
Good morning.
The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, please mute your phones. There will be no eating, drinking, sleeping, white t-shirts, or hoodies. No driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps unless they represent religious purpose. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Okay. Good morning, everyone. What I'm going to try to do is do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in. I'm going to start whenever Ms. Williams Law, are we ready?
Yes, Judge.
All right. This is the state of Michigan versus Jalen Kyle Garner. Case number SX463-48282. Good morning to you, sir. Appearance.
How you doing, sir?
Appearance for the record, please.
Hey.
Both parties are.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Garner. Jaylon Kyle Gardner.
Okay, I'm sorry, Mr. Garner. Good morning to you. I'm gonna put you. Mr. Berry's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. And put you in a breakout room with him. You let us know what you want to do.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate you.
Pass the matter. City of Detroit versus Timothy Lydell, case number 20712-324, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Excuse me, Philip X. Walling, P35229, representing Mr. Liddell.
Mr. Liddell, good morning to you again. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning. My name is Timothy Liddell.
All right, Mr. Liddell, today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counselor, for purposes of arraignment.
For arraignment purposes, Your Honor, I'd waive my client waives any kind of formal reading and ask the court to recall the bench warrants and set these matters for a pretrial. Please not guilty.
Winner, not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. You want to run his license. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, Mr. Liddell, with Mr. Walling, and he's gonna attempt to update an offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay. Thank you.
Join the room. We'll pass the matter. One.
All right, is Granberry here? Vo, I just let you in the room. VO, can you start your camera?
Yeah,
And state, please. Good morning to you, sir. What's your name?
Harvon Lewis.
Lewis.
Yes, sir.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Lewis.
Good morning.
Tavon Lewis.
No, Harvon Lewis.
Arvon Lewis.
Yep.
Is that Lewis?
LOU.
LOU. Okay. Let's see. Harvon. Okay. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Mr. Boffman, what's your client's name? Good morning to you.
Not valid, Judge. Good morning, Your Honor. My client is Unique Gonzalez Dingwall.
Okay, they haven't showed, I don't believe.
Okay, I'll try to drum them up. We're just looking for a next action date, a trial date.
Okay. Is anyone ready? Any of the retained counsels ready?
I'm ready on Shane Gibson, Your Honor.
You ready on Gibson?
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Shane Zachary Gibson. Case number SP 1546991, SP 1827896, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 182795521, SP 1844966, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is PA8515, standing in for Counsel Record Basson Johnson II for Shane Gibson, who has not appeared today. Your Honor, this was a date scheduled for an update on Mr. Gibson's whereabouts. We do have an update. I am requesting a waiver of his appearances today, just for this pretrial.
All right, and what about his presence? What about the update?
Your Honor, Mr. Gibson's currently in the Macomb County Jail. He was sentenced there on February 2nd to 93 days in jail. So he's currently not there. So we are requesting that we adjourn this pretrial so a writ can be issued to Macomb County to get him on Zoom.
All right. For that reason, I will waive his presence, and I'm going to give him a pretrial for March the 9th, 2026 at 8:30. All right, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Do you have anyone else?
That is all for today, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay.
And do you need me to prepare the writ, or would Your Honor prepare?
I'm not going to prepare it.
Okay. All right, I will prepare it and send it over. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, very well.
Have a great day.
You as well. Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Garner. Mr. Garner, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance and seek dismissal.
All right, Mr. Garner, I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. Nothing further, sir. Have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
All right, thank you. Thank you, Judge.
Good morning. Morning, Mr. Taylor.
Hey, John, how you doing?
All right. Barry, this is the city of Detroit versus Michael Deontay Green, case number SP 11432121, SP 11611151, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1270638, SP 1419515, counts 1, 2, SP 1439444, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1474310, SP 1509613, SP 1543961, strike that, SP 1543962, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1631971, counts 1, SP 1760605, counts 1, say 2 and 3, SP 1763107, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1763115, 1 and 2, SP 1834979, counts 1 and 2, SP 863343, counts 1, 2, and 3, 19708167, counts 1 and counts 2, State of Michigan versus Michael Deontay Green, case number SX 4645781. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Green.
Michael Deontay Green.
Okay, Mr. Green, you continue to come in here with new tickets, sir.
I ain't got no more tickets since you told me to get my license last time.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? We'll pass the matter. Ma'am, I just let in on the unlicensed room. You need to unmute yourself, please, and state your name.
Unique Gonzalez.
Unique.
Your Honor, this is my client, and we are ready. Forgive my interruption.
That's okay. You have to turn your television off or mute, please. City of Detroit versus Unique Gonzalez Dingwall, case number SP 1822170, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1822171. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman, P 55052, on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, give the court your full name, please.
Unique Gonzalez Dingwall.
Thank you. This matters are here for pretrial, Judge. My client is advised of her rights. She asked that you set this matter for a bench trial. She does not need a jury.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I'll set you a trial date for March the 9th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further for you, you have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day. Bye.
So, on the iPhone 86, I just let in the room. Can you unmute yourself, start your video, and state your name, please?
Michael Griffin.
Michael Griffin, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
All right, your officer is here, Mr. Griffin. So we'll get you out as soon as we can. Ms. Granberry,
Yes, Judge.
good morning to you.
Good morning. Sorry I'm late.
So you weren't late, but you didn't pay. City of Detroit versus Tamika Granberry, case numbers SP 154-88422, SP 179-50411. Appear, state your name for the record, please.
Tamika Glanberry.
All right, you didn't pay, Ms. Granberry, nor did you get into a payment plan. So what's going on?
I was trying to get into a payment plan, but it keeps
And what
sending me off.
What?
And I paid one of the tickets this morning.
You said they keep, okay, let me see. You said they keep sending you off.
Yeah, they asked me to fill out an application. And when I keep going in, they asked me to fill out an application to be on the payment plan. And when I keep saying like what kind of payment plan, you know, I'm telling them how much I'm trying to spend, and it wasn't letting me go no further. It just kept saying your application has been submitted.
Well, I don't think that you tell them what you got to spend. I think that it works like, well, from my understanding, you have to come up with the first 20% to get into the payment plan. Now, I don't know if they work, how much they work with you on what you can spend or not after that. I don't know how that works, but nevertheless, you haven't done it. So when will it get done?
I'll try again today when we get off the phone.
You said you paid one. All right, let me see. I don't see that you paid anything.
Well, I got my receipt.
Let's see, let me look it up again. If you just paid it, maybe. Yeah, I don't see that you paid anything. How did you pay it?
I paid it with my card.
Online?
Yes.
Not through the DivDat kiosk?
No.
Okay, that's the problem.
I don't have no vehicle right now.
No, you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, but that's the problem. When you pay it online, it's gonna take a while to go through. All right, I'm gonna give you 30 more days to figure this out, okay?
I appreciate it.
Come back on March the 12th, 2026 at 8:25. If it's nothing further, Ms. Granberry, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, thank you. You too.
Thank you.
I lost Mr. Green, Your Honor.
Did you?
Yeah.
All right. Where's Cornelius Gunn? Did I not print that out? Cornelius Gunn, are you there?
Yes.
Cornelius, wanted to you, this city of Detroit versus Cornelius Norbert Gunn Jr., case number SP 181115551. Good morning to you, sir. State your record, please.
I'm Cornelius Gunn.
All right, today is the date and time set for a review. You haven't paid either. What's going on?
I came down there and made a payment of $288. The lady at the desk downstairs that was keeping my driver's record.
All right. Now what about the 240? When you listen, I'm gonna give you 30 more days. Do you get a valid license?
Yeah, I got one more ticket to pay before I can get it, but I need an extension on the last 240 that I need to pay.
All right, March 12th. Now you can get in that payment plan now. So you paid that March 12th. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Come back on March 12th. Either pay it off.
I did have another court date that I warned that y'all missed, and she made another court date for this one ticket. I don't know if it's today or it should have been another ticket, if I'm not mistaken.
What's your date of birth?
12/22/1975.
City of Detroit versus Cornelius Norbert Gunn Jr., case number 19-516-3311. Appearance for the record, please.
Okay, Philip X. Walling representing Mr. Gund. Sorry.
All right. No, let's give it to Mr. Berry.
Okay.
You have some money. Go ahead,
Mr. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a show cause. Mr. Berry, for purposes of arraignment.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. That gun is on show cause 845. The reason why it's not showing up is because it says it has Gunn Jr. as the last name.
Oh.
It should be, that Junior should be placed in another, but anyway.
What date is the show cause?
Today.
Oh, okay.
8:45. All right, I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf to give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gunn, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. You can already let the city know that he's already gotten a deal in owes this money here. This was something that was missed and probably should have been incorporated into his last deal, Mr. Berry. Mr. Gunn, I'll put you in a breakout room, speak to Mr. Berry, okay?
All right.
I'm gonna correct the name.
Pass the matter. All right, let's call the state of Michigan versus Lucas James Laseski.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor. Mary Mahoney.
One second, Miss. Case number SX 4632141. Now appearance for the record, please.
Sorry about that, Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor. Mary Mahoney appearing on behalf of the defendant, Lucas Lasecki. Judge, I'm having some difficulty this morning. I've looked through my settings and I'm not seeing any prompts for me to be able to move back and forth between the meeting rooms. I've looked into support and tried to figure out if I've got a setting that's wrong or, but I have not had a chance to talk to Corporation Counsel yet.
I don't really think that's necessary at this point, because is there a trooper, Kelly Brennan? Did you see a trooper, Kelly Brennan? Trooper Kelly Brennan. I do not hear any response. I do not see that trooper Kelly Brennan in the breakout room, nor are they responding to the calls out that I'm having in the main session, nor do I see that trooper listed here on my sign-in sheet. Go ahead, Counselor.
There being no proofs in support of the complaint, Your Honor, we would respectfully move that this court dismiss the complaint.
Mr. Lasecki, state your name for the record, please.
Lucas James Lasecki.
All right. Good morning, and case dismissed. I'll grant your motion. If there's nothing further, both of you have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Your Honor.
Right back.
Let me make sure I get some files right quick. All right. I don't have enough. All right.
Dude.
Hold on one second, please. Is Jonathan Garcia there?
Yes. Hello.
Is this Jonathan Garcia?
Yes.
Patrick? Jonathan Patrick Garcia?
Yes.
All right, sit tight.
Okay.
How do I get to the breakout? Mr. Berry.
All right, who's got their hand raised?
Mr. Green, Your Honor. He's back.
Mr. Green? Is that Mr. Michael Deontay Green?
Yes.
All right, let me, give me a second, please. All right, I'm good now, whenever you can, All right, Mr. Berry, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gunn. Mr. Gunn, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, if we could set this for a bench trial date.
Trial date, where's Gunn's found?
Cornelius, which one?
In Cornelius. I think I put it up there then.
Is it? Okay.
Maybe, but I need that
Here it is.
yeah, I need that 19
I
case.
changed my birthday. I mean, excuse me, I changed the name. I put the junior on the end, so it should.
And did you
line up.
print out another one?
Yeah, hold on.
I'll get it.
You got it? Okay. Thank you. Did it line up?
I need that tomorrow. All right, I'll give you a trial date for and it's gonna be a review, so you need to take care of that payment for March the 9th now, 2026 at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
March the 9th, 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Gunn, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Berry, you need to talk to Mr. Green again?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Green, join the breakout room and speak to Mr. Berry. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Liddell. Mr. Liddell, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a trial date?
Pre-trial date, Your Honor. Today's an arraignment.
All right, pre-trial will be March the 9th, 2026 at 8:30. Okay, Mr. Liddell?
Yes.
Tick, tick, tick.
All right.
That's your date, Mr. Liddell.
Okay.
There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
So it'll call me at 3:30.
All right, Mr. Walling, this is the city of Detroit versus Jaquan Lewis Long, case number U47202-718. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X. Walling representing Jaquan Long, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Long, unmute yourself and state your name, please. Press *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Long, and state your name, please.
Jaquan Lewis Long.
Good morning to you. For purposes of arraignment, counselor?
For arraignment purposes, we waive any kind of formal reading, enter a plea of not guilty, and ask for a zero bond. Waive formal reading.
All right, I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Long did fill out an advice of rights. You can make sure you understand what rights, Mr. Walling. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Walling. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. He's in the room, Mr. Walling. We'll pass the matter.
Thank you.
Welcome.
These two don't have files. Sent emails.
Richie's iPhone. You unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please.
How you
Good
doing?
morning.
My name is Richie Gibbs.
Richie Gibbs.
Yes. Your Honor.
Okay, good to you.
Good morning.
All right, Mr. Soroki, are you ready on anyone?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm ready on Mr. Stephen Lewis. That's going to be a dismissal.
This is the city of Detroit versus Stephen Jalen Lewis. Case number SP 183-5253, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, up here on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Stephen Jalon Lewis.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for pre-trial. You said this is a dismissal per this, you worked it out with the city attorney?
Yes, Your Honor. It's a dismissal as to all matters.
All right, Mr. Lewis, I'm gonna grant the motion to dismiss cases. If there's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You as
Thank
well,
you. Have
Your
a good
Honor.
day, everyone.
I appreciate you.
Welcome.
Judge,
Yes.
I have Officer Alderworth he says he has no recollection of Lamonte's over.
Oh, here, okay. Yes, wait a minute, let me make sure I see him on here.
He's at the.
Yeah, all the words, I
9 a.m.
see. No recollection. All right, tell him be safe. And I got him checked in.
The officer just said he's going to check.
All right, we're waiting on a lawyer and an interpreter. You ready, Mr. Walling?
Yes, sir.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Long. Mr. Long, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, I have had the opportunity to pre-try this matter with Assistant Corporation Counsel. The people are moving to dismiss this matter. I join in that motion. I have no objection to the court using the ticket for probable cause purposes to dismiss this matter.
Okay, Mr. Long, your matter is dismissed. If it's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you. If you want some paperwork, you're gonna have to come into court and wait on Miss Mathis, okay?
Okay,
All right, best of luck to you.
thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus, this is not right. This is not right. You can hang up, sir. City of Detroit versus Jonathan Patrick Garcia. Case number SP 1838211, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1838221. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X. Walling representing Mr. Garcia.
Mr. Garcia, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Garcia.
All right, what is your date of birth, sir?
9583.
All right, today is the date and time that is set for a pre-trial. Mr. Garcia, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Walling. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? All right, when you see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
Pass the matter.
Yeah, I have a mailbox, I can check it.
I printed those out too.
Oh, you did? Okay.
And then there's one that's coming out. All right.
Your Honor,
Yes.
I was just wondering because someone had been told me they would come back with me.
Yeah, they're
They
gonna.
had me sitting in the waiting room.
We're
Huh?
getting with you. We're just I'm taking them in the order that you came in. You're coming up.
Okay. Okay.
This is stupid, man.
Zoom user. Michael Green, you fell off again.
I'm here.
Are you answering the telephone when you get on there?
No, my phone just had died.
All right, Michael Green, so there's another Michael Green. Let me see. You spell yours Michel?
Yeah, EAL.
EAL. Let's see this EL. Let's see what's going on with this one. What's your date of birth?
1/18/95.
This has got to be included in on that too. Yeah, you need to change it to this.
What's the ticket number?
I'm printing it out.
Oh, you are, okay.
All right, it's ready on, let's call the city of Detroit versus John Austin Green Jr. Case number is 18-22944, counts 1 and counts 2. And SP 18-230-901. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, Mr. Green.
John Austin Green Jr.
All right, today is the date and time. Good morning to you.
Morning.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Is there an Officer Saunders? Officer Saunders. I'm hearing no response. And I don't see an Officer Saunders on my sheet. I'm going to dismiss your case, all right?
Thank you.
Wait.
I'm going to dismiss your case. No officer. Mr. Green, if there's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
All right, take it easy.
Please mute your phone, sir.
If you want some paperwork, you can get it from Mr. Mathis.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Barry, Mr. Green has 3 other tickets. They were spelled wrong on the ROA. One is they're on the docket today though. 25775-688 counts 1 and counts 2. Let's go back on the record with Michael Deontay Green. 25775-688 counts 1 and counts 2 are also on his, and that is a driving while license suspended, unregistered, untitled, and no insurance misdemeanor. So, did you get a deal, or what does he got? What does Mr. Green want to do?
We seek a bench trial date, Your Honor.
Very well.
I didn't want to. Do I got to?
Well, why is he saying that? Why is he saying that then?
He doesn't want to. The prosecutor is not prepared to make any offer, and he does not have all of the documents required. So we need a trial date.
Well, you can plead guilty to everything if you want to. That's basically what the prosecutor is saying. She does not going to give you a deal.
All right.
You want to plead guilty to everything?
No, I'm going to trial.
I figured that. All right. Yes.
Okay, with the Michael Green, I did change the E to an A.
Yes.
But the birthday is a little off too, and the driver's license. So I don't know.
Oh, well, maybe it's not. Maybe it's not him. Maybe it's not him.
They're saying he born in January the 18th, 1995, and the other Michael Green is the 19th, 1991.
No, he says you're born January 18th, 1995, right, Mr. Green?
Right.
All right, and you're saying the other one is a different birthday?
1991. I don't know how it must have.
Very well. That's, I mean, if it's if the driver's license number is different, then it's not him. We'll just go what we got. All right.
Well, hold on. This one. I'm gonna take another look.
Let's see, he paid reinstatement fees. Did you get a valid license?
Yes, sir.
Oh, well, he's on his way then.
He's on his way.
All right. Congratulations on getting a valid license. 3/9/2026 is your next court date. That'll be a trial date.
Okay.
Make sure you keep that license valid.
Okay, I got you.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Wait, one question. What time was court?
9 a.m.
Okay, on the 9th.
on the 9th. You said what? Say that again. Hold on.
I spoke to some. It's on here now. He just got a lot of tickets.
It's on there.
Yeah,
those
it's
three are him, right?
Yep, those three and everything.
All right, so those three are going to be incorporated in on that.
Yeah. Here you
Just
go.
put that in for trial.
All right. Okay.
All right. So those are you, according to the system. I don't know whether it's you. I don't know whether it's you or not. All right.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Be safe. Best of luck to you on March the 9th.
You as well.
Here, this is the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan versus Deshaun Gilmer. Case number SP 11271461, SP 1169523, count 2, SX 3798865, SP 1227454, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1437912, SP 1497855, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1497861, SP 167274441. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gilmore.
Deshaun Sherrod Gilmore Jr.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gilmore, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Mr. Berry, Mr. Gilmore owes one no insurance proof. He owes a couple of other civil infractions as well, but the one no insurance proof is preventing him from getting a clearance here. So if he doesn't have a license, if he pays that, he can potentially set himself up to get a license. But I don't know what his driver's license looks in other jurisdictions. Speak to him. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, Mr. Gilmer, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Garcia. Well, Mr. Garcia, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, at this time, my client wishes to tender a plea pursuant to the people's recommendation to the disorderly conduct ticket. That's the one that ends 2112, and the other two matters to be dismissed. Further, Your Honor, that will be a 6-month delayed sentence. I've explained what that means to him and his advice of rights. He's ready for you, Judge.
Thank you. I need a 6-month delay date. All right. You want to take the deal, Mr. Garcia?
Yes.
All right. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Walling went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Questions about those rights?
What was that, Your Honor?
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to December the 12th, 2025 at around 8:31 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Elizabeth and Woodward. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
And were you out there drinking, sir, on that date and that time?
Yes, I was actually going to a concert. I was across the street from the Fillmore.
And did you make it to the concert?
Yes, I did.
But you were intoxicated, is that correct?
Yes.
And you caused the police presence out there that date, is that correct?
Yes, I believe so.
All right, we'll find them guilty as charged. $240 will be the fine. Stipulate the probable cause. We'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated.
All right, strike that. August the 13th is your sixth date, your next court date. August the 13th at 8:25. You owe $240. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's paid, you don't get any other trouble like that. It's paid, we'll dismiss the case. You understand?
Yes, I understand.
All right, there's nothing further, sir. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
If the money is paid and he has had no criminal contact, does he need to return, Your Honor?
He does not.
Okay.
All right. If this is the city of Detroit versus Floyd Anthony Lynch, case number 207150571. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X. Walling representing Floyd Lynch.
Mr. Lynch, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please? Unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please.
Floyd Lynch.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is date and time set for an arraignment. For purposes of arraignment, counselor?
For arraignment purposes, Your Honor, my client, I'd ask the court to recall the warrants, waive any kind of formal reading, and stand mute.
All right, I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lynch, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Mr. Walling, he's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Will do. Thank you, Judge. See you in a minute, Mr. Lynch.
Is Chair Harris? Need to call him.
Okay.
All right. And the officer is here.
I don't know if she can't be a citizen or not.
Yeah, what about the interpreter?
That was for LaCruz.
LaCruz, yes. Zoom user.
Good morning.
What is your name, sir?
Lewis, Michael Lewis.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning. I got disconnected. I was inside. I was in here already.
So podcast is gonna be once a week, Judge?
Did you like it?
Am I gonna chance to listen to it?
Was that the live that was yesterday that you said?
Uh,
Took both of those.
yeah, you said that. It wasn't, was it yesterday? Yeah, it was the day before, I thought.
No, you're right. The evening before last, that's right.
I think it's gonna be informative for the people.
I think I'm gonna get some views. That's what I'm going
Right, you need views.
Yeah. So are y'all gonna be like interviewing other people or just gonna be you and him discussing?
Well, what we want to do is get people to ask the questions and we'll talk the questions and then potentially go live with it like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because the questions that make you all.
The kids yesterday, I went to your high school.
Oh, yesterday.
Oh, man,
How did that go?
I was impressed.
High school.
Henry Ford.
Oh, you went to Henry Ford?
Question.
They were good.
They were, that's good.
School looked beautiful.
Maurice Taylor.
Ford always was a nice looking school though.
I took driver's training at Henry Ford.
So where did y'all, what, the stadium?
We started in the auditorium
Oh, okay.
and then we went around all the classrooms.
Oh, okay.
Not with whatever classroom we went, they assigned us to. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gilmore. Mr. Gilmore, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter pleas to 2 counts of failure to display and another count of allowing from among the no license charges.
Do you have any money today, sir?
Not today.
All right, so we're not even gonna do this. What are we doing this for? He needs to, I told him he needs to pay that 288. You need to pay that. You can potentially set yourself up to get a valid license. You take this deal today, you won't be getting a license for another year or so at least.
No, I can't take this.
All right, pay. When are you gonna pay this 288?
Tuesday.
All right, come back. Do you have any tickets in any other jurisdictions?
Yes.
All right, when you pay this 288, I'm gonna set a pretrial date for you on the 9th of March. This is just arraignment date. I'm gonna set a pretrial date for you on the 9th of March. What you can do is you can pay the 288. That'll get you clearance here. Now, keep in mind, you still owe some other tickets down here that you're gonna have to pay eventually. But pay the 288, that'll get you clearances down here. If you go to the Secretary of State after that, you can ask them anything that's affecting your license. If they don't give you a license, they should tell you anything that's affecting your license. Then you can take care of that. March 9th, you can bring that paperwork in. They'll give you a printout and Mr. Berry can see it from that point, all right?
Okay.
All right, so come back March 9th, go pay that 288 on Tuesday, set up a court date. Set up a date to go to the Secretary of State and then come back on March the 9th. We'll see what kind of progress you made.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You too.
You're welcome. Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit versus Sharina Gray Law, case number U720199925. Appearance for the record, please.
O.S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name, Miss Law?
You have to press, she knows how to unmute herself. Press *6 to unmute yourself, Ms. Law. Good morning to you. Ms. Law, press *6 to unmute yourself, please.
Hello.
All right, good morning. State your name for the record, please.
Serena Graylaw.
All right, good morning. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Law, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. He's in there, Mr. Berry. We'll pass the matter. Let's call Mr. Carpenter. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Let's call the city of Detroit versus Michael Griffin, case number SP183-09701. Appearance for the record, please.
Frank Mysteria, P87848, on behalf of Mr. Griffin. Mr. Griffin, please state your full name for the record.
Michael Griffin.
Okay, good morning to you both. And Officer Robinson, he's here. I tried to bring him out. He's not responding. Did you get an offer? Did you get some resolution? Mr.
Yes,
Massar?
Judge. At this time, we'll be accepting the people's offer, which is to plead down to disorderly conduct.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines? Where's his file? Michael Griffin.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
I didn't have a trial. Well, Michael Griffin.
Is in there. The paperwork is. Mr. Massaria went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
No, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to November the 15th, 2025, around 8:22 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Warren and Cadillac. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes and no, yeah.
All right, did you have some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
And was it open?
Yes.
Was it some alcohol in there?
Yeah, it was a beer in the cup holder.
And it was open and some beer in there, correct?
Yes, sir.
I find your client guilty of the amended count of disorderly conduct. $240 is gonna be the fine. When can you pay it?
Can I get like a month, sir?
Pay it by March the 26th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Welcome. Anybody else, Mr. Masaria?
Mr. Carpenter is Johnny Oram, but that was all for me, Judge.
Oh, I'm also here.
All right. This is, where's Johnny Orm's file? Print that off. City of Detroit versus Johnny Deshaun Oram, case number SP 171-36221. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Reese Carpenter, P number 88895 on behalf of Johnny Oram. Johnny Oram, can you please state your name for the record?
Johnny Deshaun Oram.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Is there Officer Harris? Officer Harris. I'm hearing no response, and I don't see that officer signed in on my sign-in sheet. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, at this time, we're moving for dismissal since the officer failed to appear.
Case dismissed, Mr. Orm. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
All right. Goodbye.
All right. Ms. Villarreal, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, sir. Evelyn Villarreal, Certified Court Interpreter C3822.
Raise your right hand, please. Or affirm that you'll tell the truth, that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communication, so help you God.
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. I'm going to give them a second to get going.
Okay.
On the telephone at 313-285-4171. Good morning to you. Can you state your name, please?
Trayvon Givens.
Givens?
Yes.
Good morning to you, Mr. Givens.
How you doing?
I'm well. How about yourself?
I'm well.
Javon Givens, that's what you said?
Yes. Yes, sir.
That's G-I-V.
G-I-V-E-N-S.
And then Javon. J-A-Y. Say that again.
Trayvon, T-R-E-V-O-N.
Oh, T-R-E.
Yeah.
V-O-N. All right, good morning. All right, let's see. You're late. You missed the bus. You were supposed to be here on the 5th. Right.
Yeah, I know. The lawyer's son just called me and told me hurry up Zoom, try to contact on. She just called me like about 25 minutes ago and told me to call.
Who's the lawyer? All right, sit tight.
I took it.
Sit tight. Sit tight.
Yes.
All right. All right. Mr. Carpenter, do you have anyone else? Oh, these are.
You talking to me, sir?
No. Just give me a minute, please.
Okay.
Ms. Harris, can you go speak to Ms. Gardner right quick, please? Mr. Barry, you ready on anyone?
Ready as to Miss
Gray Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gray Law. Ms. Gray Law, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client will avail herself of the people's offer to enter a plea as charged on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
You don't want to set a trial date? Maybe you can do better?
No. I just will take the 3 months.
Do you have any money?
Not right now.
Something for the life of me, I just can't understand that. But it's not my case. Raise your right hand, ma'am.
It's raised.
It's raised?
Yes.
You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Oh, I didn't know all that, but okay.
You didn't know all that, did you?
No, I just thought the 3 months, like you said, without getting in any trouble, getting another ticket.
Mr. Barry, have you read? I want you to read this ticket. Send Mr. Barry that ticket, please. I don't know if it's enough information on there for me to even take a factual basis. I'm going to pass the matter. Go back to the breakout room. Mr. Barry's going to come speak to you about it, all right, again.
Okay.
Rejoin the room, please. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Past that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Floyd Anthony Lynch. Mr. Lynch, you want to take the deal as well, right?
No, Your Honor. My name is Philip X. Walling. I put a note there next to Mr. Lynch. I'm asking the court to set this matter for a pretrial beyond March 17th of this year.
What about March 17th?
He has an appointment in another jurisdiction that may resolve positively at this point. And
do you want to? Does he need an appointed attorney?
I don't believe so at this time.
I think so.
Okay, then Judge, why don't you, like you did, Mr. Barry, if you get a hot second to send that to me, I'll give it a quick look.
All right, let me send him the ticket.
Yes, please.
Send Mr. Walling that ticket, and then if we'll appoint him attorney. Go back into the breakout room, Mr. Lynch, and speak to Mr. Walling, okay?
Okay. Your Honor.
Mr. Corporal Rule, good morning to you.
Good morning. Can you put me in the breakout room, please?
I don't know if it's necessary.
Good morning.
Okay.
We're ready on Gardner. She just needs to be brought out of the breakout room.
Let's go, of the city of Detroit. Where's Gardner's phone? I gave it to you to check the attorney.
Yeah, I didn't even talk to Ms. Horn.
Yeah, I know. I think they're asking. Let me call the city of Detroit versus Demetrius Gardner, case number SP 1810325, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1810328, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1810339, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. May I please this honorable court, Sherika Harris, P72H32, on behalf of Ms. Gardner. Ms. Gardner, please state your name for the record.
Demetrius Gardner.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Corporal Rule, good morning to you. State your name, badge, number, department for the record, please.
Cooper Rule, badge 3896, Detroit Police, 7th Precinct.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Go ahead, Ms. Harris.
Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to speak with Ms. Horn about this matter. We both are asking the court for an adjournment to the date of March 20th.
All right. I'll grant it. March 20th is the next trial date, Mr. Corporal Rule, all right? 9 a.m. And Mr. Gardner, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, you do the same. Thank you.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, I wanted to see if the officer checked in for Michael Lewis.
Michael Lewis. All right, Ms. Harris, be safe. Michael Lewis. One of the officers did. One of the officers did for the U ticket.
For the U ticket?
Sarkeesian ticked in. I haven't seen Maynard.
Okay.
Do you have the?
I'll check, double check. You said Demetrius Gardner. I thought.
I handed it to you for the purposes of the council.
Let me check right here again. Demetrius Gardner. Oh, got it here. I'm sorry, Judge.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lynch. Mr.
I haven't
Lynch.
gotten the ticket. I haven't gotten the ticket nor the information yet, Judge.
Okay.
And he's not in a breakout room anyway, but. There we go.
Mr. Barry, are you waiting on that ticket as well for gray law?
Printing now, Your Honor. I'm
Very
going
well.
back into the breakout room.
Very well. All right, they're coming now. Mr. Lynch, go down in the bottom of your screen to the more button or something like that, and that breakout room should repopulate, breakout room 3.
It's not showing up. Oh, there we go.
Call the probation for election. Robinson, Officer Robinson, your matter, the client, I think, took a plea. For Michael Griffin. I tried to bring you out. I'll mark you as appeared. If there's nothing further, be safe, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a good one.
Thank you. Just ask them, do they have anything to say about it?
He said it's nothing, he has nothing else to say than what's already stated.
Very well.
Okay, is that fine?
Yes.
Okay, have a good day.
Who's your client?
Sentencing, Your Honor.
O'Neill?
O'Neill, yes. Be signed.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus Alexis O'Neill, case number Z8097851. Station finish for the record, please.
Alexis. Good morning, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, 357-166, appearing on behalf of Ms. O'Neill. Ms. O'Neill, would you state your name, please?
Alexis O'Neill.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Have you gone over the pre-sentence report with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
All right, anything that you want to address?
The only thing that Ms. O'Neill feels that 12 months is a little long, she would request that the court would shorten it up if you could, because she has 3 kids and it's kind of difficult for her to be making all these, I guess, substance abuse.
Okay, is that all she was? All?
Everything else, we're okay with.
All right. Well, I looked at some things in the report and it's just kind of disturbing to me. If it's, and I guess it's correct because there's no, you said everything is addressed, you've addressed it with her. One I look at, and first of all, Miss O'Neill doesn't really care about other people's problems. Is that true, Miss O'Neill?
I never stated yes to that. I do care about people if I love them and I know them. I got a lot of problems. People don't care about what I'm going through. I'm sick.
I think that's what you assume, that people don't care about what you're going through. And it may be some people that don't, but you said that you have people that you do care about, but you almost preference that
If
you
I
don't.
know them, yes.
If you don't know them, you don't care about their problems, right?
No, how do I know what problems somebody else has? I have a lot of my own problems. People don't necessarily care or they fake it. Like, that's not, what is scary about that?
Yeah, it is scary because you only think of what it tells me is you only think about yourself.
No, I don't. I have 3 well taken care of kids. I love my family.
All right. Things that happen to her are out of her control. Most things that happen to her are out of her control. Well, we know this was not out of your control, right?
What?
This drunk driving that you pled guilty to.
It was none in my control. I never talked to you about it. I lost a lot of people. You said you didn't care. I got to figure out a way to get there. I done got sick trying to find a way, walking 30 minutes there and back, trying to go down there just to do the survey or whatever you saying on that paper, on that computer. And I got 3 kids. Like, I'm literally sitting here sick.
Miss O'Neill.
No. Let her go ahead and talk. Let her go ahead and talk.
I go through a lot that nobody knows about.
Everybody goes through a lot that nobody knows about.
People go through death 5 times in 2 years.
Yes, they do. It happens.
No, don't nobody been through much death as me. I don't believe that. And I'm very strong. I'm a very strong person.
Okay to lie to get out of trouble.
No, that's not what that means. Like, what do you mean? Like little stuff? If I tell my friend I don't want to go out, that's little stuff. That's not like what about that is scary?
Okay to lie to get out of trouble.
I don't want to do it.
I was telling your friend
because it's little lies. Like, what do I don't have to do everything somebody tells me or ask me. That's not scary. Like, you have problems in life all through life. And you telling me that my father passing away is not that deep. Like, I done lost everybody.
You did not hear me say that.
I done lost a lot of people, my support system.
I understand that, and people lose people. People lose a lot of people. I'm sorry to hear about the death of your people, but that's a part of life too. And
my support system.
Unfortunate part is an unfortunate part of life, is a tough part of life, but that is a part of life.
Oh.
You didn't hear me say that I didn't care about that.
That's what I've been getting. That's what I said.
Don't interrupt the judge when he's talking. He'll give you a chance to speak, but please don't interrupt when he's speaking.
Okay.
More, this is a very serious allegation here. But what did you have, and you've had this attitude since day one. Since day one. Now, if the attitude is coming from the fact that you're grieving and the fact that you're going through stuff, okay, that could be a reason. If the attitude is coming from the standpoint that you don't believe anybody cares, about what you're going through, that could be a reason as well. You might want to get yourself some counseling. Because ever since you've come in here, you're still the same Miss O'Neill from the first time I met you.
How?
Just like that. Your
I don't get
attitude.
it. I don't get it because the way you come at me all the time, that's what I'm saying. And you basically are telling me you don't care about somebody that's my support. You think as life easy, you losing your whole support system, you got 2 little babies, plus a lot of problems, like you telling me you don't. That like no, that's not right.
I didn't tell you that.
I don't get it.
I know.
Every time we come to court, of course I'm gonna be frustrated.
All right. I know you don't get it. I'm not, that doesn't surprise me whether you get it, that you don't get it. I know you
Get
don't get
what?
it.
Get what?
You just said I don't get it.
You just said it's like life happens. I just told you that's my whole support system. My dad was a lot of support to me.
I know my dad was a lot of support to me too.
I lost him in my 20s. I'm only 28, about to be
I was
29.
in my 20s too.
Everybody's life supposed to be like mine.
And nobody's life is gonna be like anybody else's life.
Okay, that's what
Everybody's
I'm
living their own.
saying. Right.
You're not gonna get it.
Miss O'Neill, please
Well,
be
if you feel like that, I don't feel like
Miss
you getting
O'Neill.
what I said.
Miss O'Neill.
What did you say?
I feel like you don't never get anything I say. I said, if that's how you feel, I can't change how you feel. I tried to talk to you about it. You just, I don't know.
I'm trying to talk to you about it now. You're the same, like I say, you're the same
Okay, I
combative.
have not did nothing to nobody. What do I, the same what?
All right. I can't, there's nothing anybody can say to you.
Yeah,
You
it
got
is. I listen to you every time and I get judged. Like I get judged about my personal life. Like, what is the problem?
It's gonna be, anything else? You want to say anything on your client's behalf?
No, Your Honor, Ms. O'Neill is still relevant. This is our experience.
Like I say, I thought maybe from it, which I thought maybe I would get a different Miss O'Neill from the time we've met in a couple of days, a couple of different hearings that we've had to today, but I haven't.
I've spoken with her, Your Honor. I think she understands.
No, I think it's the same Miss O'Neill. And
I do understand.
Miss O'Neill, please be quiet.
All right. All right. So do you have anything to say before I impose sentence, Miss O'Neill?
No, I just want to say I do understand and you just talk for me and say I don't. That's all I have to say.
No, your attitude and your actions and what you're saying speak for it. And
It doesn't.
that's, there it is. All right. It's going to be a 12-month probation, attend and complete an outpatient substance abuse treatment program, no alcohol or illicit substances, random urinalysis twice per month, attend and complete an alcohol highway safety course, attend and complete the MAD Victims Impact Panel, view the short film Consequences, pay $100 assessment fee, $15 urinalysis fee. That fee is only going to apply if she comes down to the courthouse and tests. If she tests at an outside agency, and that'll go over it, you can go over that with her probation officer, then you'll just pay that outside agency. It's going to be a $240 fine. It's going to be all other statutory fees are going to apply, and that would be the crime victims' right fee of $75, court costs of $65, probation fee of $35 per month, and any other fines and costs that are statutory by the state of Michigan. those fines and costs will be on the judgment of sentence. If you have any issue with those fines and costs, Ms. O'Neill, you can you can address the court with about it, or you can ask Mr. Taylor to address those for you. I will set a review date I need a 1-year review date. And then we'll bring you back in 3 months to see how you're progressing, okay?
Yeah.
So,
1-year review, please.
It's gonna be February 12, 2027.
February 12th, 2027. And the review, that's the 1-year review date. And the 3-month come back on May the 12th, 2026 at 8:25. If it's nothing further, I do wish you the best of luck, and despite what you may think, I do care. I hope you get some counseling and stuff for your loss. You know, I hopefully you at some point recognize what the court has been trying to say to you all along. I don't think you're ready there to get there right now, but hopefully at some point you do, Miss O'Neill, okay?
Okay.
All right, if it's nothing further, ma'am, I do wish you the best of luck, and I'll be praying for you. You have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too.
Thank you. All right. All right. Let's go back on the record with Miss Gray Law. Miss Gray Law, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what is Miss Law? Has anything changed?
Yes, Your Honor. Well, we seek a trial and the appointment of counsel. I've also indicated that there's a ticket issue to the child that I've made note of. The attorney is going to want that information also.
Very well. All right. Miss Law, I'm going to set a pretrial. Miss Gray Law, I'm going to set a pretrial of the March the 9th at 8:30. March the 9th at 8:30. That date is set. Yeah, that date is set so that we can get you to the appointed attorney, and that attorney has an opportunity to contact you. I need for you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Okay.
Wish you the best of luck, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. You as well.
You're welcome. Mr. Berry, I have an interpreter. This is the city of Detroit versus Heliana, Carolina, La Cruz Velasquez, case number SP 184-21041 and SP 184-24531. Appearance for the record, please.
Señor Perry, tengo un caso para usted. La acusada es Eliana Carolina La Cruz Velázquez. Números de caso SP184-21041, SP184-24531. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. La Cruz Velasquez.
Soy Elwood S. Berry Jr. representando a la acusada. Díganos su nombre completo, señora La Cruz Velázquez.
Elianis Carolina La Cruz Velázquez.
Eliana Carolina La Cruz Velázquez.
Eliani.
Eliani.
Elian.
Elian.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Buenos días, usted, señor. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la consulta previa al juicio en su caso. La vamos a pasar virtualmente a una sala privada de consulta para que usted pueda hablar con su abogado, el señor Berry. Él va a tratar de conseguirle usted una oferta de resolución actualizada, pero tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta la oferta de resolución, usted tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte ahora donde dice join o unirse.
Okay.
We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Floyd Lynch.
No, Your Honor. I have alerted Ms. Horn. I expect to hear from her shortly. So we could go to someone else if you'd like.
All right. Troy versus Earl Curtis Lewis III, case number SP 1033753, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 118469, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1223612, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1330150, counts 1. SP 1365980, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 160, strike that. SP 1603161, 1. SP 1693037, SP 1843489, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1843490, counts 1 and counts 2. 1730595591, 19215 counts 1, 2, and 3. Hearing for the record, please.
Your Honor, my name is Philip X. Walling, representing Earl Lewis.
Okay, good morning to you, Mr. Lewis. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial?
Pre-trial, Judge. If I may, I'm curious, the first 3 cases on today's docket don't indicate the third. Is that Mr. Lewis, or is there a junior, or?
The first 3 cases are Mr. Lewis.
Okay.
Mr. Lewis, Mr. Walling is going to attempt to get you. State your name for the record, Mr. Lewis.
Earl Curtis Lewis III.
All right. Mr. Walling is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with him. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay, thank you.
Pass them out.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, thank you. Right.
I'm going to move him, if you don't mind, Judge, to room.
I don't mind.
Okay.
Good morning to you. Lamontez O'Rear. Who? Lawson? He just looked like an old rear. No, I know, well, he says he's not related to old rear that I know. Lawson, I don't see him on here. What, give me a case number, please.
Case number is SP.
Hold on one second. Go ahead.
185-22401. Were you scheduled for arraignment on? Oh, he's scheduled for
1:30 today. All right. Do you want to try to, well, let's see this guy. You want to try to solve it today, or you want to try to fight it? I can get you an appointed attorney, and he can speak with you.
No, I would like to, wherever you would like to.
I don't like to do anything. It's your case.
I
mean, don't say anything else. I can get you an appointed attorney. You might do better. You can't do any worse because it is going to be what it is, or it'll stay the same. You want to appoint an attorney?
I don't have to have one. We can work it out. I don't want to have to keep people off the way.
You say what?
I don't want to have to send anybody out the way. If I don't need an attorney, I'll stand here and deal with it. Yeah, something wrong now.
There you go, talking now. You know, I was speaking at Henry Ford High School yesterday, and I was emphasizing to them, you know, we always hear about this Make America Great. What is it? Make America Great Again. Yeah. America's already great. And the reason why it's great, the best reason why it's great, because our criminal justice system allows for you to remain silent. And anything you can and say will be used against you. And the reason why it's great is because the police can say you did something. You listening? The reason why it's great is because the police can say you did something, and whether you did it or you didn't do it, you could be either found innocent or not guilty, or you could be found guilty. But the biggest thing is you have that right to remain silent. And they're the ones that have the burden of proving each and every element of the case. Each and every element. If they got 3 elements and they can't prove one of those elements, you know what happens? Mr. Lawson walks. That's the beauty of it. If you go to China and they say Mr. Lawson was loitering, you say, I'm American. I want to extract my, I want to remain silent. I'm not giving you nothing. You know what they'll say? Mr. Lawson, we think you don't want to say anything because we think you did it. So go over here. We got something for you. They can't do that here. So you want an attorney or you don't?
Yes.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Miss LaCruz. Miss LaCruz, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do? He doesn't need to sign on.
Así que vamos a volver en el acta con el caso de la señora La Cruz Velázquez. Señora, yo le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué van a hacer?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to limited access 1 to 5 for disregarding a traffic device signal the license matter to be dismissed.
Su señoría, mi cliente quiere aprovecharse de la oferta de resolución que le ha propuesto la fiscalía. Es decir, ella se va a declarar responsable al cargo de que iba en una área de acceso limitado 1 a 5 millas sobre el límite en vez del cargo original que había desobedecido un rótulo de control de tránsito, reconociendo que el cargo que nunca había obtenido una licencia de conducir queda desestimado.
You want to take the deal, Miss La Cruz?
Y señora La Cruz, ¿quiere usted aceptar esta oferta?
Sí.
Yes.
Are you going to stipulate to the face of the ticket on behalf of your client as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea?
Y quiere usted estipular de parte de su cliente que yo puedo depender de lo que dice la boleta de infracción para establecer un fundamento.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipuló su señoría.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
¿Y puede usted estipular que hay causa razonable para desestimar el otro asunto?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Sí, su señoría, así lo estipuló, de acuerdo.
With that, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access, 1 to 5, $125. When can you pay it, ma'am?
Ya que usted ha dicho eso, encuentro que su cliente es responsable al cargo modificado de que iba de unas 5 millas sobre el límite en una área de acceso limitado. La multa es 125, señora. ¿Cuándo puede usted pagar esta cantidad?
¿Puedo hoy mismo si quieren?
I can pay it today if you'd like.
Got money. All right. I will give you until Monday to get it paid. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. There are other ways to pay it, but those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Muy bien, señora. Entonces yo le voy a permitir usted hasta el lunes para que pueda pagar este monto. Sépase que usted lo puede pagar en cualquiera de los kioscos que se llaman DivDat, que se encuentran en la ciudad. También usted puede poner el app DivDat en su teléfono. Me dicen que eso es posible. O usted puede venir en persona a la corte y pagarlo de esa manera. Esas son las dos mejores maneras para pagarlo. Aunque hay otras.
Ok. Serían, disculpe, ¿serían cuánto de la multa? 125.
And it would be, excuse me, how much? 125?
Sí.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Hasta luego.
Goodbye.
Bye.
All right. This is Mr. Lopez. You're free to sign off, ma'am.
Señora, ya usted se puede desconectar.
Okay.
Okay.
Mr. Lopez, can you unmute yourself?
Yes.
You don't need an interpreter, do you, sir?
No.
You can ask Ms. Villarreal if anyone needs an interpreter, else needs an interpreter. I don't believe so.
¿Hay alguien más presente que necesite un intérprete de español? Déjenos saber.
Ms. Villarreal, thank you very much and good to see you. And we'll see you. If I don't see you tomorrow, have a very good weekend, okay?
I wish you the same, Your Honor. It's always great seeing you. Bye-bye.
My pleasure. Bye-bye. This is the city of Detroit versus Daniel Lopez, case number SP 184-34971. Appearance for the record, please.
Owen S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lopez.
Daniel Lopez.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lopez, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
Is it still cold out there?
Yeah, a little bit. It's kind of nice. But it's not.
Mr. Leverett, you raised your hand. Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Ms. Lyles, you're there. Ochoa. All right, Ms. Lyles, are you there?
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
Watch this. Watch this. I'm well. How about yourself? Are you at work, Mr. Leverett?
I'm doing well.
Yes, sir.
All right. Where's Miss Lyles?
I'm right here.
Not there, guy, because I can't see you.
Oh, okay. Hold on one second.
All right, good morning to you. This is the City of Detroit versus Jerika Lyles, case number SP 182-7194, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 182-7196, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Berry, you can put your appearance on the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lyles.
Jerika Lyles.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial for Ms. Lyles. There's Officer Ochoa. I have not seen Officer Ochoa join the room, and he's not on my list. Go ahead, Mr. Berry.
The motion is for dismissal, Your Honor. There being no complaining witness.
All right, case dismissed. Ms. Lyles, if it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. I just got one question, Judge. I'm sorry.
What is that?
Previously, you had said that the license was suspended. Can you tell me what jurisdiction, or like, how do I find that out?
You got to go to Secretary of State.
Okay, thank you.
Best of luck to you, ma'am, and have a very good rest of your day. Because you saw that? There's more than one way. You ever heard that? There's more than one way to skin a cat? All right, have a great day, ma'am.
You too.
Cool. Yeah.
I'm sorry. I don't know how to close this out. How do I close out?
Yeah. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lopez. Mr. Lopez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance. We seek dismissal.
All right. I'm going to dismiss the case, Mr. Lopez, for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you. You too.
This is going to be the City of Detroit versus Teron Leverett, case number SP 1840644, counts 1 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Leverett.
Teron Leverett.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time. Now, you owe the court $240 you never paid.
Yes, I'm still working on that. I know I had just a few more months left, but I'm still working on that as well.
What do you mean a few more months left? How long did you get?
Till May. Can't remember the exact date.
Oh,
or I had to have it paid by May.
May the 4th. All right. For purposes, what is it set for today?
Show cause, Your Honor, and for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Leverett, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Run his driver's license, please. All right, as soon as you see the prompt, join the room, we'll pass the matter.
Available, just the Michael Lewis file.
You may.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Good morning. All right, let's get Mr. Lawson. Is that a good phone number? You have a good phone number?
Yes.
Let's get Mr. Lawson on his way. I just wanted you to see a couple of cases so you know what you're doing, get an understanding of what you can expect. Today is the date and time set for arraignment. Step up, Mr. Lawson. This is the city of Detroit versus Dewan Alberto Lawson, case number SP 185-22401. He's on the afternoon docket. State your name for the record. Speak up and go to the speaker over there.
The green button right there. Just speak it to
I know you can speak louder than that.
My name is Dewan Alberto Lawson.
There it is. Highland Park Polar Bears. That's where you went?
Yeah, I went to Highland Park for just a second.
Yeah. What happened? What did they do? What happened in Highland Park?
Oh, I just kind of really was about done with school.
With no windows.
Yeah.
All right. Mr. Lawson, today is the date and time set for arraignment. The understanding of arraignment is to let you know what you've been charged with and the maximum possible penalty. In this case, the maximum possible penalty is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines. You've been charged with loitering. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond, and I'm going to appoint an attorney to you, okay?
Okay.
I need a good phone number from you.
612-7797 313.
612-7797?
Yes.
779311. All right, Mr. Lawson, I'm gonna I don't know what I thought he said that.
Man,
Right.
seven.
I'm gonna put a pretrial date, March the 9th, 2026 at 8:30.
Yes, sir.
You don't have to come back in next time. You can do it on Zoom. But if you want to come down, you're more than welcome to.
Yeah, I would like to come down because I'm on Wi-Fi right now. I'm trying to get me a job because I just left Magnum C. My mother passed away. So
I'm sorry to hear about that. When did your mother pass?
This April, she passed away from cancer.
Last April?
Yeah, last April.
I'm sorry to hear that.
My main thing is why I live.
All right, Mr. Lawson, you can come on in. I'm gonna get an appointed attorney. That appointed attorney is gonna be on Zoom.
Okay.
And then you'll have to come in here, you'll call in, we'll put you in the hallway and call in so you can speak to them. Unless the appointed attorney comes in person, but more than likely it'll be on Zoom. And then you'll have an opportunity to discuss the case. And then you can make an educated, informed decision from somebody who knows the law and procedure, okay? That'll work? All right.
We're
gonna give you that paperwork.
Okay.
I'll give you some paperwork. Any other questions?
No, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Lawson,
I'll give it to you.
if it's best of luck to you, and I'll see you back March 9th at 8:30. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Leverett. Mr. Leverett, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client, if the court could confirm that he has a valid license.
He does have a valid license.
That being the case, he also has a valid registration, and we seek dismissal of these matters.
Okay. I'm going to dismiss the cases, sir, for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, sir. I appreciate you.
All right. Gets me down to Juan Guzman.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
I'm well. Is that, give me your full name, sir.
Juan Jose Guzman Ibarra.
Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute. Go a little bit slower. Juan Jose
Yeah.
Guzman Ibarra.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Show cause, Mr. Berry.
Show cause, yes, Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
Let me call it. City of Detroit versus Juan Jose Guzman Ibarra. Case number SP 1844606, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Guzman Ibarra.
Juan Jose Guzman Ibarra.
All right, you need to turn your camera on, sir. I need to see you.
For purposes of the show cause, my client would stand mute.
We're going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. He hasn't turned his camera on, so we're going to pass the matter.
All
right,
you do Earl Lewis. That one's ready, Judge.
I know.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Joanne Grisham, case number SP 1842811, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. He can give him.
I guess I'm up. Philip X. Walling representing.
Barry, that's Mr. Barry. That's
Oh,
Mr.
okay.
Barry.
Sorry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant.
All right, is she gone? She's not here either. Now, did you get the number? Did you get the call-in number? Yes. All right, you got it. All right, so you straight. All right, have a good one. You as well. All right. Juan Guzman Ibarra, here he is. Let's pass Grisham. Let's go back on the record with Juan Guzman Ibarra. Mr. Berry, appearances for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Guzman Ibarra.
Juan Jose Guzman Ibarra.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
My client would stand mute, Your Honor.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Guzman Ibarra, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Earl Curtis Lewis. He's cleaning up, doing everything. Mr. Earl Curtis Lewis III.
Yeah.
You want to, what does your client want to do? Need an appointed attorney, Mr.?
I think that's the prudent course. Yes, Your Honor. I do have a phone number. He has no email.
Okay, very well. Did you put the number? You want to put the number in chat, or do you mind?
I'll put it. I'll email it at the end of the call with the other one.
Well, give it to me now, so I can if either put it in the chat or give it to me now.
All right. 313-974-8355.
All right, Mr. Lewis, I'm gonna appoint an attorney for you. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Yeah.
Come back on March the 9th at 8:30. March the 9th at 8:30. If you don't have any further questions, sir, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, you too.
Thank you.
All right. Appreciate it.
Okay. What about Lynch?
I'm still trying to talk with Ms. Horn.
Okay. Is that Harvon Lewis?
Yes, sir. Your Honor.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Did we ever find your name on here?
I think you did.
I thought I did too. But I don't see it now. What is your full name?
Harvon Lewis.
Harvon?
Yep. Louis.
Oh, yes. City of Detroit, Mr. Berry, Mr. Walling versus Harvon Xavier Lewis, case number SP 184-1891, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. You're muted.
My name's Philip X. Walling, representing Mr. Lewis. And where is he on the docket today, Your Honor?
Show cause, unregistered, untitled, and a no insurance misdemeanor. Purposes of arraignment.
For purposes of arraignment, we waive any kind of formal reading. If there's a warrant, please remove it and enter a $0 bond if you'd be so kind.
That will be the enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Mr. Lewis, join the breakout room, speak to Mr. Walling. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
We'll pass the matter.
All right.
Officer Salami,
Yes, Your Honor.
be the correct pronunciation. I'm sorry.
Salome, sir, you were very close.
Great. Good morning to you, and Officer O'Reilly. I don't see Len Zanzalotti that ever appeared. So you two are free to leave and be safe, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good one.
You as well. Have a better one.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
I'm sorry, I just came in at the tail end of what you had said.
Never appeared. Good morning to you. You're free to leave. Be safe, okay?
Okay, thank you, sir. I apologize, and good morning. Have a good one.
No problems. All right, very good. Now let's go back on the record with Mr. Guzman Ibarra. Mr. Guzman Ibarra, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor, a bench trial date.
All right, that's what you want, Mr. Guzman Ibarra? Come back on March the 9th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you as well.
Thank you. It's the city of Detroit versus Ebony Gilmore, case number SP 1844984, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please. Run our license, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gilmore.
Ebony Denise Gilmore.
All right. Well, we have a problem here. It's not until tomorrow. For purposes of the show cause, Mr. Berry, we have in no insurance misdemeanor, license improper, and an expired plate. For purposes of arraignment,
We would waive the reading of the information. Your Honor.
I will enter a not guilty plea on Ms. Gilmore's behalf. Give her a $0 bond. License improper, no insurance misdemeanor, and civil infraction of expired plate. Okay.
I think make that.
Mr. Berry, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Gilmore. Attempt to get Ms. Gilmore an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, ma'am. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Pass them out.
Okay.
He's in warrant status, Trayvon Givens. From February the 5th. Run Verdell Levitt's license. He's not here anymore anyway. He came in early. He came in early, but he's not here now, so. And I don't know what happened to Joanne Grisham. She left. Are we ready? Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gilmer. Ms. Gilmer, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a bench trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Gilmer?
Yes.
All right, come back on March the 9th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, thank you.
City of Detroit versus Lamontes DeLaShawn O'Rear, case number SP 181-71681, SP 184-6696, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. O'Rear.
Montez O'Rear.
Good morning to you, Mr. O'Rear. Hey. The officer for the SP 181-71681, Darwish, he appeared, he indicated that he had no recollection. Corporate, good morning to you. State your name, badge number, department for the record, please.
Badge 775, City of Detroit Police Department, 8th Precinct.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Mr. Berry, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. O'Rear. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer, Mr. O'Rear. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, Mr. Walling, this is a dismissal for compliance.
Yes, sir. He has shown to me his registration and insurance, and both expire in June.
Case dismissed, sir, for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Dewan Littlejohn. Case number SP 153-27381, SP 159-5280, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 160-4715, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 162-39701, SP 162-3971, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 184-9956, counts 1 and counts 2. 72634225. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X.
Dewan John. My bad.
Philip
Good
X.
morning.
Walling representing Mr. Littlejohn. Where is Mr. Littlejohn on today's?
Arraignment on the bench warrant, first page.
I'm
Thank
here.
you. For
I'm here.
arraignment purposes, Your Honor, we waive any kind of formal reading, ask the court to set aside the bench warrant, and waive and stand mute.
All right, we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Littlejohn, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Walling. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay.
Join the room, please. We'll pass the matter.
Anybody see Ms. Horn lately?
No, call Ms. Warren, please, text her.
Hmm. And Mr. Littlejohn is in 5.
Who is representing Michael Lewis? They were in here. Attorney was in here. I thought. They had him in a breakout room down there. Mr. Lewis, who was representing you?
I believe his name was Carpenter.
Yeah, that's what happened to him.
He said he had another courtroom to go to, and I just got off. I work night shift, Judge. I've been up all night.
You're gonna have to stay up a little longer. I don't have his phone number.
Yeah, he did mention that he had another courtroom to go into.
All right. Trayvon Kivens is gone as well.
He left, so I did find a file for him.
He left. Just Gibbs, Lewis. Nasaria, Trayvon, is out of Nasaria's office and Whitey's office. Carpenter is. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. O'Rear. Mr. O'Rear is sitting in the driver's seat, aren't you, sir?
Yes, I'm at work though.
I know he's sitting in there like he has a license. Mr. Barry,
I'm not at work.
Pardon me?
I'm not driving, I'm at work.
I know, but whose car are you in?
I'm in another employee's because they're waiting on me to come back from this.
Why are you in the driver's seat?
I just sat in the car.
That's what they all say, Mr. O'Rear. If you expect me to believe that,
Okay.
I'm not. Go ahead, Mr. Barry. What is Mr. What did you work out anything?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. O'Rear is prepared to enter a plea to allowing for the no operator's license on person and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is not 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Barry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking a deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to January 4th, 2026, around 9:57 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of East Grand River and Biltmore. Did you have an occasion on that day to come into contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
And why is that?
I have to deal with another county.
I didn't hear you.
I have to deal with another county before I get my license.
All right, I'm going to find him guilty as to the amended count of allowing a $240 fine, dismiss upon payment, stipulate the probable cause, will dismiss the other matters now.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. When can you pay, sir? 240.
About another 2 weeks.
All right, come back on March the 5th. March the 5th at 8:30, 8:25. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Now, I'm going to say this to you. I've seen you before, and you tell me that you're not driving that car. That's your coworker's car. So you're trying to make me believe that you got a ride to work and you're not driving. I don't expect to see you again for a drive-on license suspended in the future. Okay, sir? All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Come back March the 5th. Pay it any div that cost in the city of Detroit. All right? Best of luck to you. All right, corporate, good morning. All right, have a very good day. You be safe out there. All right, are we ready on Little John?
One of his tickets is expired plates.
No, sir. Could you send me a copy of the U ticket, please?
It sits in the driver's seat.
Yeah, they all do that, and they want to tell you that they're not in the driver's seat for that car. He needs a copy of the U ticket, please. Still a big swallow. They all do that.
I still haven't been able to talk to Miss Horn. I've called her a couple of times, left message, but
All right, get her in here. All right,
Text her. Can you
Mr.
text
Barry,
her?
are you ready on anyone?
No, Your Honor, I am not. I have no one.
All right, City of Detroit versus Richie Neil Gibbs Jr., case number SP 1601931, counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gibbs. Unmute.
Richie Gibbs.
All right, well, this has, good morning to you, sir, for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
Turn your camera on, sir. At some point, you were represented by Adam Clements, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor. They actually should have been a part of this court date. I'm not sure what happened.
I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond, give you a pretrial of March the 9th, 2026 at 8:30. Tell them the court date is March the 9th, 2026 at 8:30, okay?
Can you repeat that?
March 9th, 2026 at 8:30. If there's
And
nothing further, go ahead.
what is the date for? What is the
That's a pretrial date. You missed, this was arraignment on the bench warrant. You missed the dates. You got a bench warrant out for your arrest. We called the warrant, gave you a $0 bond. We'll give you March the 9th and you can call your attorney and see if what's going on.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Be back March the 9th. If there's nothing further, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too, thank you.
She says she's on. Should be there right afterwards.
Call up Masaria or Whitey and tell them to come on in here. Judge Perkins, so this is speaking on the for 133 wants to know what's the pre-trial date.
Three
3/9. Pre-trial date is 3.
four. Are you going over to Jose's today?
I went yesterday. It really just be depending on, if something down there is working. Just really working. And finding something healthy. If I didn't make something, was okay though. Yeah. Bread, we eating bread, subs. I don't think they do Lowe's, do they? You call Whitey in them, please. Are we ready on Little John?
No, sir, not until I talk to Ms. Horn. While we're in a lull, can we check to make sure Mr. Littlejohn, as he tells me, has a valid license?
We'll run it.
Thank you.
We ran it already. No.
Obviously valid now that the bench warrants have been removed.
It's suspended. Wait a minute. Hold on, DeJuan Littlejohn.
Exactly. Somebody got, I don't set up these photos, they got Derek with it.
I'll return. I want to talk to him while I'm waiting.
Hold on, we don't know if it's right yet.
Just can I get a moment before we go to the next case?
Right.
Thanks.
As well.
Check something.
Mr. Berry, we got Miss Grisham finally showed back up. This is the city of Detroit. Well, she's got to unmute herself and start her camera. City of Detroit versus Joanne Grisham. Case number SP 184-2811, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gresham.
Joanne Gresham.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. I'm glad you came back and you can fit in the time for us.
Yes, my phone had went dead.
All right. What is it set for, Mr. Berry?
Pre-trial, Your Honor.
Pre-trial, date and time set for pre-trial. There she is. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Pass them out. Mr. Massari.
Hello again, Judge.
You here for Michael Lewis?
That's one of Carpenter's cases, Mr. Carpenter.
I don't know where he went.
He went to Ramsey Heath. I just gave him a call, but he didn't pick up. Do we have an officer on Lewis?
We do have an officer on Lewis. You need to let me know.
I'll see if I can get a resolution and then talk to Mr. Carpenter about the case.
All right, let Mr. Carpenter know. Just don't leave. Let me know where he's going.
Can do, Judge.
All right.
And Judge, could I have a co-host to hop in the breakout room with the prosecutor?
Yeah, she's not here as well.
Got it. Thank you.
I'm back.
Oh, City of Detroit versus Joanne Grisham, case number SP 18482-112, SP 18482-111. Mr. Berry put his appearance on the record. She's here, there in the breakout room. We'll pass the matter.
If you wish, Your Honor, I'll let you know how the defense counsel's heads working with Mr. Lynch and Mr. Lil John.
Has a license.
Lil John, I don't know. He showed me a license, Your Honor.
Have a license.
Yes.
His license is valid.
Wonderful. That fixes a lot. That leads us down to 1, 2, 3, 4 tickets on today's and the operating the illegal. That would be down to 3 if that suspended goes away and the operating illegal. And I would make a motion at this time, but I frankly think Ms. Horn should hear it.
Yeah, so we'll wait if it's going.
And then Mr. Lynch, Your Honor, maybe we can resolve Mr. Lynch. He has one ticket, I believe, yes, disregarding an officer's signal. She's recommending a 3-month delayed sentence. The question for me is if those points have already been assessed, and I am assuming they are since looks like a 2020 ticket, I was hoping she would be willing to dismiss that.
No, the points on a disregarding the officer's signal, if it's points on there, it's a misdemeanor. It would have to be adjudicated first. On
Well,
a civil infraction, then the points would have been assessed and.
Okay, then we're here on the bench warrant. There she is.
Thank you. I was on the record. Sorry.
No problem. I kind of figured that.
All right, go to 4 and speak about it, please.
Yes.
Okay. And I was actually in there with Mr. Carpenter too. Yep. So.
Okay.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Grisham. Ms. Grisham, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Mr. Berry, put your appearance on the record for Ms. Grisham again. I wasn't recorded.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Joanne Grisham.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Grisham. State your name for the record, please.
Joanne Grisham.
All right. Today is the date and time set for pre-trial. What does Ms. Grisham want to do?
We seek a bench trial date, Your Honor.
All right. That what you want to do, Ms. Grisham?
Yes.
Come back on March the 9th, 2026 at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you.
Okay, bye.
It looks like Attorney Carpenter's back, so I handed it off to him, Judge. Did you need anything else from me?
No, I'm good. Thank you so much.
No problem at all. You as well.
They're talking about it now, Mr. Lynch.
So go back to the break room. Just
Yeah, go back in the break room, wait on Mr. Walling. All right, let me go back on the record with Mr. Floyd Anthony Lynch. Mr. Lynch, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, I had the opportunity to pre-try this. We aren't getting anywhere on that. So my client wishes to continue his not guilty plea. Ask the court to adjourn the pretrial for him to get a court-appointed attorney. I do have his information.
All right, can you put it, Chad, if Mr. Lynch doesn't want, Mr. Lynch doesn't want to say it out loud, or you can say it out loud if Mr. Lynch doesn't mind.
Mr. Lynch, you mind if I give that information to the court now, do you? Out loud?
No, I don't mind.
All right, ready, Judge.
Right.
313-266-8448. Do you want his email address too, Judge?
I think that'll be fine. Mr. Lynch.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna set a pretrial date of March the 9th, 2026 at 8:30. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney on by that date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, I appreciate your patience. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, you as well. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Littlejohn. Mr. Littlejohn, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, at this point, as to the U ticket, U726342, I would like to make a motion to dismiss. I believe the ticket is defective on its face. Let me know when you're ready for me to proceed.
Well, I want the city to be in here if
Right.
she could hear what you have to say, but
Right.
why, what you can tell me why you say it's defective?
Yes. He's charged with in effect, to refer to the ticket, he is charged with lipio, loitering in a place of illegal occupation. And then in the notes, it says loitering in a place of illegal occupation. As the court is well aware, there are several different kinds of illegal occupations you can loiter in, that whether it be a drug house, could be a house of illegal fame or a house of prostitution, could be an illegal gambling dope den or an illegal gambling house. Not putting what the illegal occupation is, in effect, deprives him of effective assistance of counsel at this critical juncture. Move to dismiss.
All right, I'll wait until Ms. Warren comes out.
There are a number of dismissals we can resolve with Mr. Littlejohn. As the court is aware, he does have a valid license. I've mentioned that to Ms. Horn, and her offers indicate dismissal on all of those. She also indicated to me on the one driving license suspended that she wanted to amend a failure to display. She would dismiss that. That would leave just 3 improper plates plus this operating.
She wants to dismiss the officer, disregard an officer's order as well. That's new stuff. I don't think you had that.
I don't have that.
Disregard an officer's order and improper equipment.
I don't have those. Well, I did not talk to her about those.
Yeah, talk to her about those too. Those 8 SP. SB 1849956, counts 1 and counts 2, disregarding officer's order and improper equipment.
What's that last 4 digits of that, Judge?
Improper equipment, civil infraction.
What's the last 4 digits?
SP 1849956, counts 1 and counts 2.
9556, 1 and 2.
Yes. All right, we'll pass it.
I'll go talk to her about those new ones.
Does she know you're gonna raise that motion?
Yeah.
All right, we'll be here. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Littlejohn. Miss Horn, Mr. Walling has a motion in front of the court. I don't, he said he discussed it with you. If you like him to repeat it, he can. If you already know, you can respond.
Yes, Your Honor. The people believe there's sufficient notice on the ticket of the name, the address of the place that we're discussing at this time, and we believe there's sufficient notice. So we ask that the court deny the motion.
All right, my question is this: how does Mr. Let's just say, how does Mr. Walling know anything about? He's here to represent him. It's a pretrial today. All the information that he has is layering in the place of a legal occupation. It does have the address. How is he supposed to assist him when there's nothing there saying what is illegal about this place?
Your Honor, the people understand the position of the defense counsel and your question on the table right now. The people will defer to the court to make a decision on the motion.
All right, I'm gonna have to grant the motion. I have no other, I would agree. I don't know what they're saying is illegal about this place. And I don't know if Mr. Littlejohn knows. If he does, then it's his right to remain silent. And certainly Mr. Walling has already professed that he has no idea what is illegal. So I'll grant the motion to dismiss.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Now, I also discussed with her briefly the new ticket that's on the table. The people's offer is to dismiss the improper equipment. She wants my client to plead pursuant to the disregarding an officer's order At this time, Your Honor, I'm going to, my client and I are going to reject that offer. We should probably set these for a pretrial and get him a court-appointed attorney for that ticket that carries points. I do have his information.
All right.
Now-
What about, now, let me ask Ms. Horn, what does that do with the other tickets that he has? He does have a valid license, but what do you want to do with the other tickets?
I prefer, Your Honor, I believe also in Mr. Littlejohn's favor. I prefer to push it to the assigned counsel and push it to trial. As the court knows, based on the amount of tickets he has, trial date, I might only get 2 officers, so it might work out for him in the long run.
All right, need appointed attorney. Mr. Littlejohn, I'm gonna need a phone number from you so I can appoint you an attorney.
May I put that on the record for you, Mr. Littlejohn?
Yes.
And would you put it in the chat for privacy purposes, please?
No. Okay, I can do that.
And I am marking a note to self. I'll move for dismissal though on the license issues, Your Honor, since he does have a valid license. I can do that. Yeah, thank you.
Ms. Horn.
I can do that. Yeah.
I appreciate that.
So that takes care of some of the stuff.
Sure does.
I'll dismiss the license tickets for providing a valid documentation on the license.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Well, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. And then you'll go to, you have some insurance tickets here and title tickets here and proper plate tickets that you'll be going to, and the more serious matter of disregarding officers thing you'll be going to trial on, all right? Congratulations on getting a valid driver's license.
Yeah, thank you. You helped me get it.
Well, you had to do it. You had to take the steps to do it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna set a pretrial for March the 9th, 2026. March the 9th, 2026 on all the remaining matters. And that pretrial is set so that you have an opportunity to hear from the appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by March the 9th, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. What I'll do, I think I'll make it a little easier for Mr. Walling. I'm gonna send you a note in the chat, Mr. Littlejohn, and you can type your telephone number. Now you can send me a message.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. This old guy appreciates that.
All right. As soon as I get the number, you're free to leave, Mr. Littlejohn. We'll pass the matter.
Okay.
All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Michael Kenneth Lewis, case number.
Your Honor, I still need to talk with my client. I've been in another courtroom all day.
Let us know next time before you leave.
Okay.
All right, join breakout room 6, please.
Okay.
All right, I have it, and I have your email address, Mr. Littlejohn. Best of luck to you, and we'll see you back on March the 9th. You already leave? Yep, I guess so. All right.
I can't hear.
Mute your device, Mr. Lewis. Nothing's going on at the moment.
Oh,
There's
I'm sorry.
no problem.
All right, let's go call it. This is the city of Detroit versus Michael Kenneth Lewis, case numbers SP 183-1095, counts 1, 2, and 3, and U722-56125. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Attorney Reese Carpenter, P number 88895 on behalf of Michael Kenneth Lewis. Michael Kenneth Lewis, can you please say your full name for the record?
Yes, Michael Kenneth Lewis.
Turn your camera on, sir. All right, day is the date and time set for a trial. Officer, is that Sergeant? Officer Sarkeesian. Can you say badge number, department for the record, please?
Yeah, Officer Sarkeesian, badge number 930, Detroit Police Department.
All right, and then we didn't have Officer Minyard. He didn't appear, so.
Officer Maynard did not receive a subpoena for this.
Yeah, well, he didn't appear, so he's on the list. I don't know what they did. I'm gonna dismiss the case on the court's own motion for not. I won't even put no officer. I'll take your word. If he didn't get a subpoena, I'll just say no. I mean, just dismiss. Okay. What are we gonna do with the other case?
Your Honor, we're gonna go ahead and take the active charge to trial.
You want to take it to trial?
Yes.
They told me to come up here because Tuesday.
You know, this is why you needed to have this thing done before you left.
I understand, Your Honor.
Have you talked to Ms. Horn? Where's Ms. Horn?
I'm not sure. I thought she was in the main room.
Get Ms. Horn back in here, please.
Okay. I'll go ahead and reach out to her.
Here, I'll bring her in. I'll bring her in.
You know, that's the thing, you gotta, Judge, he wants to, first of all, let's start with your name. What's your name?
Dorian Odoms.
Odoms?
Odoms, yeah.
Good morning to you. Ms. Horn?
Dorian.
Dorian. One of your cases is set for pretrial.
Right.
Right. So you don't want the dismissal?
The first one already been dismissed. I'm talking about the one I pleaded not guilty of.
Well, you only had 2 cases.
Right.
How do you look at yourself? Because you called over the phone, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, I tried to call you back.
Dorian Odom, that's Marvette?
Dorian Odom.
Marvette Odom?
No, just Dorian Marquise Odom.
D-O-R-E-E-N?
D-O-R-I-A-N.
I mean, because you only had, you had a careless driving. That's a civil infraction. You owe
O-U-D-O-D-U-M?
U-M-S.
Here you go. You want the paperwork, Judge? And the one ending in 2081 was dismissed.
Right.
And then the one ending in 6621 you set for pretrial. Just
yeah, that's the one I was trying to change. It just pay.
You don't want to pay. You don't want to have it set for pretrial.
No, because I got a trucking orientation Sunday that I'm supposed to be going to, and I can't have no pending tickets or nothing.
746. What you say again?
Where's Ms. Horn? Did you get out? Did you reach out to her?
I thought you were doing that. I can do that.
Judge, you're an attorney, I don't know what you want to do.
Well, all right, let's pass that matter. All right, so,
Your Honor, she's on her way.
all right, this is an off-docket matter. This is the City of Detroit versus Dorian Odoms. Case number SP 174-66021. Any attorney, please, appearance for the record, please.
Judge, my name's Philip Walling. I'd be happy to take care of Mr. Odom today.
All right, day, date, and time set for, we'll call it just set for a pretrial. Mr. Odom walked in, Mr. Berry, Mr. Walling, Mr. Horn, can you put your appearance on the record as well?
Yes, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303, Your Honor. And I did
All
speak
right.
with Mr. Berry, I believe, about this earlier.
This is not for Mr. Lewis right now. This is a loudspeaker ticket where the pretrial date is March the 3rd, 2025. Mr. Odoms had a pretrial date, and we were going to set an attorney for him, but he came in and he indicated to the court that he would like to just get an offer today because he can't have any pending cases, as he's going to take a class for trucking this weekend, you said?
Yeah, I leave Sunday.
Sunday, you have to go out of town and do it?
Yeah, I already got my licenses for a job. So I leave Sunday and the orientation starts Monday.
Oh, where's the job?
In Tulsa, Oklahoma.
Tulsa, Oklahoma. And it's gonna be a long haul truck driver or their region or whatever?
I'll come home every 2 weeks.
Oh, so you're gonna go all over the United States, wherever they send you, huh? So you passed trucking school and everything?
I used to ask last month.
Congratulations. So they get you a job right away, huh?
Yeah.
Big money, huh? This 240 is not gonna be nothing to you, is it?
You keep talking, I'm gonna get jealous and I'm not gonna dismiss it. But go ahead. The people will move for dismissal for good cause and in the interest of justice.
Thank you so much, Ms. Horn.
You got yourself a job. If they can't say the City of Detroit, they're hating on you or nothing. Cut the music down though, because you know, if I can hear your music or somebody can hear your music from 10 feet away, which that kind of statue is almost anybody could get a ticket.
It's crazy. I wasn't even in the car. I was standing on the steps at my grandma's house, and my cousin pulled up on his Harley playing his music. And the police was like, "Who stayed here?" I'm like, "This is my house," and they gave me the ticket. I driving nothing. I was standing on the porch.
All right, I can see why you want an appointed attorney for that. All right, listen, interest of justice, we're gonna dismiss the case. You're gonna wish you the best of luck. Be safe. It's a big money job, but it is dangerous. It is dangerous. And have a very good rest of your day. We'll dismiss the case, okay?
Can I get something to show proof of that?
Absolutely.
All right, just have a seat. I'll give it to you. All right, thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lewis. Miss Horn, can you put your appearance on the record for Mr. Lewis?
Yes, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303.
All right, and so today is date time set for a trial, and Mr. Lewis wants to exercise his right for the trial. Are we ready to go?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor, but I believe Mr. Carpenter has a preliminary motion.
Okay, go ahead, Mr. Carpenter.
Your Honor, at this time, I'd like to make a motion to suppress for the lab report, as it is a preliminary lab report, as well as the person that tested for the drugs has not made an appearance for today.
Have you got the lab report today?
I do, yes.
And when did you have that?
I just received it today.
This morning, Your Honor.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a trial. What do you have to say, Ms. Horn?
Your Honor, we do have the complaining witness here, Officer Sarkisian, and we did discuss this prior to it. We did just get the lab report from the court's file. We weren't able to grab it in discovery. However, the people will defer to the court as to this matter. We'd rather it be dismissed without prejudice so that we can reissue with the proper folks here and for Mr. Carpenter to have all the discovery ahead of time. I did email forensic officer Cedric Coleman just now, but I don't think we'll have him available for trial at this time.
Well, the issue is this, though. The issue is this, is not a motion to dismiss. That wasn't the motion. The motion was to suppress the lab report because they don't have somebody to authenticate that lab report. Is that what you're asking the court, Mr. Carpenter? Is that what
Yes, Your Honor.
Lewis is asking the court through you?
Right.
So that's the difference. That means I can grant the motion to even if I granted the motion, then the people could proceed if they could find another way to proceed, but it would try to be difficult to proceed without being able to know that this is these are narcotics or not. I'll give you another. If you want to respond, Ms. Horn, you can. If not, I'll make a motion. I'll make the ruling.
The people will rely on the court for its decision and based on the facts presented today at court.
I'm going to suppress I'm going to grant his motion to suppress. How are we going to proceed?
As such, the people will move for dismissal without prejudice. And I will discuss with Officer Sarkisian if he would reissue, and then we'll be better prepared next time.
Does it work like that? Mr. Carpenter.
Oh, Your Honor, I'm still moving for a motion to dismiss because today was the day set for trial and he's failed to appear.
Well, Ms. Horn is willing to dismiss the case, but what Ms. Horn is saying to the court is that she will dismiss the case, but they're gonna rewrite the ticket.
Okay.
You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
All right, I'll let you guys do your research. I'll dismiss the case. I granted the motion to suppress. I'll dismiss, and if it's nothing further, Mr. Lewis, have a very good rest of your day. Officer Sarkisian.
Thank you, Judge.
Be safe out there.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor, and thank you for clarifying the record.
Thank you, Ms. Horn. Thank you, Mr. Carpenter.
Thank you.
All right, very good. All right. If it's nothing